everybody, we have another unboxing, and this I got from AliExpress. It's called, I call it pink flowers. I'm not real sure what kind of flowers they are. It is a 40 by 50 round, and I got it for $20.45. Hang on just a second, guys. You can see the pretty pink box that we got. This in. See what's inside. Ooh, okay. Anything else? And the box wasn't destroyed. It was just wrapped in one of the garbage bag type things. I took it out of the garbage bag thing so I didn't have to mess with it. Comes with a regular toolkit, pink pin, a few bags. There's probably about 3 or 4 in there. A pair of the generic tweezers, which I'll never use, and a square of the wax, and a little white boat. Let me get this out of here so that I can show you what it looks like. I can't remember who had this, but I saw it on their videos, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. So, if anybody knows what kind of flowers they are, they look kind of, remind me of pink hollyhocks. And like I said, it's a 40 by 50. Let me get rid of this box. We'll look at the drills here in a minute. I want to see what this canvas looks like. Oh, looks like we have rubber bands. It's not rolled extremely tight. It was like molded to the side of the box, so it didn't come in a roller. And at least this time, the paper is all, it's cut in half, so we can do one at a time. Now, of course, everything has to be a pain in the neck. I couldn't tell which one of these to come up first, so I guess I should have gone with this one. Oh, it's kind of tuggy. Almost. We're almost there, people. Pull this back. Dude, look at them pink flowers. Ain't they pretty? Well, almost looks upside down, but I guess not. Let me put this back down now and see if it'll come up from the other direction. There we go. All right. Can everybody see that? No, of course not. Okay. They're great big pink flowers. They go all the way down. And the drill field looks fairly clear. Let me, well now, it looks a little muddied, but I think with, since I have a light pad, it'll be fine. I'll just show those to you. I hope that it's showing clear. Let me lay that back down. Oh, come on. That's twice today I've done that. And I don't see any rivers or wrinkles. Let me pull this back. Come on. You were just there, people. You were just there. Okay, now we can see it. Oh, of course, rip again. It's been my day for ripping. And the canvas is very, very sticky. Here we go. Get a better picture of it. I think it's going to be beautiful when it's done. Okay, let's get on to those drills. And it has a real small key over here on this side. It's only on one side, and it's kind of small and real hard to read, so I'm glad that they sent the inventory sheet. So it has 40 colors. I don't know if I said that earlier, but at least this key is a lot easier to read than the one that's actually on the canvas. I prefer it to be like away from the canvas so I can start it any side, you know, and work. Okay, let's get a look at these drills. Ooh, lots of pinks and fuchsias and purples. Now, in this one, it does have 13 bags of 310, 10 bags of 154, and those are about the biggest I see, and the next biggest is 3608. And it has the gold writing. Is this? Yeah, this is the 3608, so it must be the most prevalent part of the pink. We all know what 310 looks like. So there's a few of those. Then we have a light pink. Sorry. Light pink. And kind of a dark red. Hold this over here so we can see it. Kind of a darker red. And then we have a deep, the 550. And I think that's like a burgundy, kind of a darker burgundy. And we have like a hot pink, like bubblegum pink. So these flowers are going to be very, very vivid. And we have like a light lilac. And some pink. And a different shade of that fuchsia. And like a medium purple. And you of course have your greens. Oops, sorry. Your 2 or 3 shades of greens, like from yellow green to dark green to like a gray green. And there is some blue. You can see the light, medium, and dark blue. And there's kind of a green color, like a light green, pale green. It's 3756. I don't know if that was part of the other one, but it is 30. Oh, I can't read it. 3804 on that one. And kind of a dark blue, like a blue-green color, but it's dark. But yeah, I think it's got some real pretty colors. And there's some more 550, ladies. Yep, yep, yep. We like that. All right. Well, thank you for sharing and watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe. And then hit the bell so that you'll know when I'm coming out with my next video. I'll do inventory and let you know if I was missing anything. But I think it's going to turn out to be a really pretty picture. I did pay $20.45 for it on AliExpress, and it is a round diamond. And drill field looks good, and the canvas looks good too. So y'all have a great day, and thank you for stopping by. See you later. Bye-bye.